So Runway ML just released this new feature that you can just move from brushing a photo, and then in a few seconds you can generate it as a video. As the sample you can see on the screen right now, from brushing earlier, now it's moving, right? Pretty awesome, right? And I'm gonna teach you how to do this. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use this new feature on Motion Brush available for Gen 2 Runway ML. And this is gonna be their website, and technically Runway ML is the leading text to image or image to text software out there. So currently right now, the thing I'm gonna ask you is gonna have a spare photo, much like the one I have earlier, a flame, and I have a website for you to get them for free and royalty free also. It's gonna be called Pexels, and this is the link, www.pexels.com, and basically choose photos here and then type in the specific photo you're looking for. For example, if you want flame, the one I have earlier, it's gonna be this one. You can choose from a lot of photos here. You can simply just click the photo and simply click on download. Wait for it to load up and it will be automatically on your PC right there. Now since we have a photo, let's look for one more. Just for the sake of this discussion, I'm gonna go for a beach. And with the beach right there, I'm gonna look for a specific beach with clouds. For example, I'm gonna look for one that has a pretty good photo that we can try and move. Give me a second here. I think I don't have that. With skies. Easy as that. So this is free. Everything here is free, so feel free to use them. Give me a second here. I'm just gonna look for one. Maybe this one is good enough. And that being said, free download right there. And then it will automatically go to your PC. So after that, we have two photos to work with. One with the flame. Second is gonna be this beach right there. Let's go back to Runway. And you can either click here or rather click here. It's basically free. And the same thing. So I'm gonna go with this one. Motion Brush now available in Gen 2. Click on it. And I'll arrive on this editing platform. I'm just escape the first one. And from here now, this is gonna be Runway ML editing platform. So you should be seeing also this on your end. I'm gonna go start with image because we're gonna use image on this tutorial. So click on this one. So if you don't want to use Pexel Bay, the one earlier, you can generate your own photo here on Runway. You can generate your photo in Midjourney. You can do as you please. So simply upload the photo that we got earlier as a sample. I'm gonna go with the match earlier. I think it's gonna be this one right here. Perfect. Now it's gonna load up a little bit and it will take around 5 to 10 seconds to load up. And by the way guys, once it's loading up, I want you to click on this motion brush. As you can see, it's gonna be in the beta phase. Click on it. And basically once you're here, tap anywhere to begin. First thing I want to highlight is this one. You can increase the size of the brush here. For example, as you can see right there, it's gonna be that size. This is the button to erase. If you want to erase anything. But for now, I'm gonna increase a little bit because I want to move this smoke right there. Give me a second. Just highlight everything. Next thing is gonna be these parameters, horizontal, vertical, and proximity. So the idea here, don't use everything. For example, vertical is the one appropriate for this photo because the flame is going up. If the sky or cars are going left or right, use horizontal. Because it's gonna be weird if you use horizontal here and then the flames will gonna go left and right. That's not good, right? So rather, go horizontal right there, or rather vertical, and increase it as so. So it's gonna be depending on you which one you like here, but for recommended, I'm gonna go 6 to 7 or 6.5. Let's meet in the middle. So for proximity, this is gonna be on neutral. I'm gonna go 3 or 2.5. Click on save. Once you click on save there, you're gonna go back from earlier where you can change the camera motion also. You can choose to vertical, horizontal, roller, zoom, but for now, I'm gonna stick with the default and click on generate. Now this will take around 2 to 5 minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. I've just generated 2 videos. This one was the one earlier, the one we made. And I've just generated another one just to do an example if you use a horizontal prompt here. Remember earlier I said it depends on the photo if you're gonna use vertical or horizontal. So to your reference, I'm gonna use horizontal here and the first one will be vertical. So let's play the vertical first. As you can see right here, it's perfectly good. Even it darkened the background a bit, but this is by the video itself. Now let's move on to the horizontal and see how it looks like. So as you can see right there, it's moving a bit on the horizontal side, but even if it's moving a little bit, it's not really normal, because if it's gonna go by right sides, should be by the first stop right there moving to the right. This is not normal. It may ruin a video, but I'm not gonna lie, it looks good. So that being said, let's try one more example, the one we got earlier, the beach. So I'm just delete this photo, upload another one, and I'm gonna go for the beach one earlier. And that being said, we can utilize the horizontal here. We're gonna paint the sky and then go for horizontal. Wait for it to load up. It will take around 30 seconds or so. Click on motion brush. So I hope you're gonna getting a hang of it by this time. I'm just gonna choose this sky, color everything here, making sure like I'm just coloring my coloring book when I was a kid, making sure everything is highlighted. Everything here is good to go. I can't forget the one on the top, of course. That one right there. I think this is good enough to go. And for now, I'm gonna focus on horizontal 5.5 and give proximity a little 3 right there. Click on save and wait for it to go back from earlier, and then simply click on generate, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back. Our video has just been finished generating, and this is going to be the beach one, mainly focused on horizontal movement. Let's play it. Now I'm gonna lie, this is really shocking. The results here are very good. Remember, this is just a photo from earlier, right? This is a photo we got from Pexels. Even the beach is moving, the water is moving, but the main thing here is look at the sky, how it moves. It's pretty scary and how AI moves this. Anyway, that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.